Ever feel like your financial data is floating around in the digital ether, vulnerable and exposed? It's a valid concern. In today's interconnected world, we share sensitive information daily, often without fully understanding where it goes or how it's protected. And when it comes to something as personal as our finances, the stakes are even higher. That's why today, we're diving deep into a critical topic. How does Flinks, a prominent player in the open banking space, ensure the privacy and security of your financial data? Open banking has revolutionized how we interact with our finances. It empowers us to connect various financial apps and services directly to our bank accounts, streamlining everything from budgeting to loan applications. But this convenience comes with a responsibility to safeguard the sensitive information that's being shared. So, how exactly does Flinks address these concerns and build a secure environment for your financial data? First, it's crucial to understand what Flinks does. They act as a bridge, facilitating the secure exchange of financial data between consumers and the businesses they want to connect with. Think of them as the trusted intermediary, ensuring that the data flows smoothly and safely without compromising privacy. They don't store your banking credentials themselves. This is a critical first step in protecting your data. Instead of Flinks holding onto your username and password, they use a more secure method called OAuth 2.0. OAuth 2.0 is an industry-standard authorization framework. It's like giving a valet a ticket to park your car instead of handing them your keys. The valet can access your car, but they never actually have your keys. Similarly, with OAuth 2.0, Flinks can access specific financial data with your permission, but they never get your actual login credentials. This significantly reduces the risk of your banking information being compromised. Another crucial aspect of Flinks' data privacy strategy is their commitment to data minimization. This principle dictates that only the absolutely necessary data is requested and shared. Imagine applying for a loan. The lender might need to verify your income and spending habits. Flinks allows you to share only that specific information without revealing other details like your grocery shopping list or entertainment expenses. This granular control over data sharing empowers you to maintain control over your privacy. Furthermore, Flinks employs robust security measures to protect data in transit and at rest. Data in transit, meaning while it's being transmitted between your bank and the service you're connecting to, is encrypted using industry-standard protocols like TLS. This is the same encryption used by banks and e-commerce websites to secure online transactions. It scrambles the data, making it unreadable to anyone who might try to intercept it. Data at rest, meaning when it's stored on Flinks servers, is also protected using encryption and other security measures. They adhere to strict security protocols and regularly undergo security audits to ensure their systems are up to date and resilient against potential threats. They understand that data security is an ongoing process, and they continuously invest in improving their security infrastructure. Beyond technical measures, Flinks also emphasizes transparency and user control. They provide clear and concise information about what data is being accessed and why. They also give you the ability to revoke access to your data at any time. This level of transparency and control is essential for building trust and empowering users to make informed decisions about their data. It's also important to remember that data privacy is a shared responsibility. While Flinks provides a secure platform, users also play a crucial role in protecting their own information. This includes using strong passwords, being cautious about which apps and services you connect to your bank account, and regularly reviewing your connected accounts. Think of it like locking your front door even if you live in a safe neighborhood. It's an extra layer of protection that adds to your overall security. Flinks also works closely with financial institutions and regulators to ensure compliance with relevant privacy regulations. They understand that the financial industry is heavily regulated for a reason, and they take their responsibility to adhere to these regulations seriously. This commitment to compliance demonstrates their dedication to maintaining the highest standards of data privacy and security. Now, you might be wondering, what happens to your data after you've used a service connected through Flinks? The answer depends on the specific service you're using. Flinks itself doesn't retain your financial data longer than necessary to facilitate the connection. Once the data has been securely transferred to the service you've authorized, their role is complete. The service provider then becomes responsible for handling your data according to their own privacy policies. It's crucial to review the privacy policies of any service you connect to your bank account, regardless of whether you're using Flinks or another platform. Another key aspect of Flinks' approach to data privacy is their focus on user consent. They believe that you should be in control of your data, and they require explicit consent before any data is shared. This means that you have to actively agree to share your data with a specific service. They don't assume consent or use any deceptive tactics to trick you into sharing more information than you're comfortable with. Flinks also understands the importance of staying ahead of the curve when it comes to data privacy and security. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, with new threats and challenges emerging all the time. That's why they invest in ongoing research and development to ensure their systems and processes are always up to date and aligned with the latest best practices. In conclusion, Flinks takes a multifaceted approach to ensuring data privacy. They combine robust technical measures, such as encryption and OAuth 2.0, with a strong emphasis on data minimization, transparency, user control, and compliance with regulations. They act as a trusted intermediary, facilitating the secure exchange of financial data without compromising your privacy. They empower you to connect with various financial services while maintaining control over your sensitive information. And they continuously strive to improve their security and privacy practices to stay ahead of the evolving digital landscape.